evening.
Evening, teacher.
Good evening. Let's see attendance first. Attendance link will be in the chat box. All right. Click on the link in the chat box. Please do your attendance first before we start our class. You're unable to enter.
Go into the portal.
Can you all do your attendance?
Yes.
Are you able to do your attendance? Arish Kaila says she is unable to do.
Cannot do my attendance.
No, try again. I've sent you. I did send you the correct link. This is Daja Lima Silver. Yes. This is the password. Yeah, that's the password. All of you are unable to do your attendance? Can anyone do? Ada yang boleh buat attendance?
Me.
Can, all right, can. Okay, can means, that means something wrong with your side.
Nine.
Okay, all done. So shall we start? All right, let's start, yeah? Okay, so today we are going to learn quantifier nouns. We are going to learn these 4 words, where to use these 4 words, okay? So we are going to focus on the word and, some, and also the word any. By the end of this lesson, sebelum kelas ni habis, you should be able I am very sorry. Okay. So by the end of the lesson, you should be able to differentiate the use of the word and, some, or any. And you should also be able to write sentences and tell us about your town. Okay, kalau sempat lah, we will do about the town. But then I'm going to teach you where to use the word some, and any. Now, when you want to write a sentence, you can start with the word there is or there are. Kalau tak ada, if you don't have, if it's not there, you can use the word there isn't or there aren't. For example, okay, we're going to look at examples where to use the word there is and there are, okay? So kalau ada satu, if there is one, for example, there is a book on the table. Kalau ada satu, we say there is a book on the table. Kalau tak ada, what do we say? There isn't a book on the table. If there are more than one, you can say there are 4 books on the table. If there aren't any, kalau tak ada apa-apa, you can say there aren't any books on the table. So, biasanya kita guna there is or there isn't untuk satu, only one. Kalau ada banyak, we use there are or the word there aren't. Okay? So let's see. A cup on the table. What should I use? There is or there are?
Is.
There
There is a cup on the table.
All right, very good. How about if there is no cup on the table? What should I write?
There isn't a cup on the table.
Okay, there isn't. And how about if there are many?
There are four
There
cups
are 4 cups on the table.
All right.
There
And how about
There
there?
there aren't any cups on the table.
All right. There
Any
aren't
cup on the
any.
table.
Okay, very good. So by now you should be able to do all this. Kita dah belajar dari year 2, okay? So let's start with where to use the word and. Some and any. First, we're going to focus on two words. The word and n. Okay. Ni we use for singular countable nouns. Can you tell me what is singular? Apa maksud singular?
only
Satu.
All right, very good. Singular means one. What is countable?
can count.
Can count. Very good. Countable means boleh dikira. Okay, we also use it for consonant sound. Apa maksud consonant?
A-E-I-O-U.
Ah,
A-E-I-O-U.
No. There is vocal.
Consonant sound means selain dari A, E, I, O, U. It's B, C,
F.
E, F, G, H, and so on. Okay? Selain dari A, E, I, O, U, you can use Now, let's see. Look at the word cafe. Boleh kira ke tak? How many cafe can you see there?
Only one.
Only one. Can you count?
Yes.
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 Now, the word cafe starts with the consonant. Dia mula dengan huruf consonant. A cafe. So, that's why we use the word a. There's a cafe in my town. Tak bolehlah guna N. Guna a. How about book? How many books can you see?
Only one.
Only one. Can you count books?
Yes.
Yes. Does it start with a consonant?
Yes.
Mula dengan consonant, mula dengan huruf B.
B.
Huruf B adalah consonant. So, you must use a book. A big car. How many car can you see?
Only one.
Only one. Is it countable?
Yes.
Yes. What does it start with? Mula dengan huruf
B.
B. B. A big car. Okay. So, kalau a car, you can also say a car. Why do we use a? Sebab because it is one. You can count. And it starts with consonant. So, kalau ada, we say there is a. Kalau tiada, we say there isn't a. Alright? Now, I want you to take out your exercise book and I want you to copy this. The one in the box. Not the rest, yang lain semua tak perlu salin. This one all no need to copy. You can copy the word a and then you copy this. I want everyone to copy. Please take some time to copy. Please do not sit. Nanti teacher tanya ada copy tak? Ada salin tak? Tak ada, tak salin. Please don't say that. Please make sure you write.
Sure, I am done.
Okay. Dalam nota memang teacher tak bagi ya. I don't give. So please write.
Done, teacher. Done, teacher. Done.
All done copying?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Okay, good. So where do we use a? We use a for countable nouns, benda yang boleh dikira. But make sure it is only one. Satu sahaja. Okay. How about the next one? The next one is n. We use n for singular countable nouns. What are singular?
Only
What is singular? Only one. Countable?
can count.
Can count. Boleh dikira. Sama jugalah dengan tadi. Singular satu. Countable boleh kira. But and we use for vowel sound. What is vowel?
A, E, I, O, U.
Yes. A, E, I, O, U. We use it for vowel sounds. Now, an umbrella. There's an umbrella. Is it singular? Yes.
Yes.
Can you count umbrella?
Yes.
Yes. Now, what does it start from?
U.
U. Sebab A, E, I, O, U, you got to use the word an umbrella. How about the next one? That's an old castle in Britain. Kenapa guna N?
Because it's only one.
Only one. Very good. It starts with the letter
O.
O. Very good. So A, E, I, O, U must use N. How about the next one? There's an hour before the show starts. An hour. Kenapa pula teacher guna N? Sepatutnya guna A.
Our can count.
No. Count ke tak boleh count ke, that's not the problem. Dengan N perbezaannya satu je. Consonant dengan vowel. Yang ni start dengan consonant. Kenapa pula guna N? Anyone?
There's one.
There is?
One.
No, not the correct answer. One also I can say hour. You don't know? Okay.
Yes,
How do you say the word hour? Bagaimana kita sebut perkataan ni?
Silent H.
Good Arij Kaila. Sebab silent H. Kita tak sebut sebagai hour. Do we say hour? No. We say it as hour. Maksudnya kita tak sebut H tu. This is called a silent H. Tak sebut H. Sebab tak sebut H, what is the next letter?
O.
I, O, U. Dia ada O. So that's why we got to use an hour. Okay? So now do you know the differences between dengan N? Very simple. Untuk consonant. N guna untuk vowel. Now can you copy this? Also copy the one I'm going to write it in the bracket. Okay. Guna N for your vowels. Please copy.
Done. Done. Done.
Okay.
Done. Sure, I'm done.
Okay, all of you done?
Yes.
Okay, so if you're done, we can try to do an exercise. Okay. Now I want you to write very, very simple sentences first. Look for the words given in the picture. Use a or an and write sentences. The words that I've given you is book, stove, apple, oven, umbrella, and door. Now you're going to write one very simple sentence in the chat box. For example, I've given you an example here. I've taken the word book. Now, can you see a book in this kitchen?
No.
No, there is no book.
No.
So what can I write? There isn't
a
a book in the kitchen. Okay? Very simple sentence. There isn't a book in the kitchen. Kalau ada, you say there is. Tetapi perbezaannya kenalah. You got to know where to use a and where to use an. Now, how many sentences are you supposed to write? You're supposed to write one. Oh, wait. You're supposed to write one for stove, two apple, three oven, four umbrella, and five door. Write 5 sentences in the chat box. Syakir, apple kena guna a ke n? Baru teacher bagi tahu, baru teacher ajar.
Teacher,
Ha,
yang 5 tu.
yeah, write all 5 sentences. Simple sentence, ada ke tiada? That's all. Mana nak guna a ke n?
Teacher.
what is stove?
Stove, dapur. Nah, tempat mak kamu letak kuali makan, makan pula masak. Tempat letak kuali tu, stove. Dapur. I want 5 sentences in the chat box. Ada ke tiada?
Buat ayat sendiri ke tengok gambar?
No, tengoklah gambar tu ada buku ke tak? Kalau tak ada, tulislah there isn't a book in the kitchen. Kalau ada, tulislah there is a apa? Okay, good try Akmal. Keep going. I want 5 sentences in the chat box, yeah? Tak perlu panjang-panjang, just very simple sentence. By Haki, mana a atau n? Syakir Akif, good. Samara. Okay, good. Are you new?
Yes, I'm new.
Okay. All right, welcome. Lutfi, okay, good. Afia Nadine, good. No tomatoes, teacher tak bagi perkataan tomatoes, Number 1 is stove. Use the word stove. Number 2 is apple. Number 3 is oven. Number 4 is umbrella. Number 5 is door. Use the words that I've given.
Teacher,
Yes.
oven yang dekat drawer tu kan?
Oven, yes.
Okay.
Nur Ania, oven. Kena guna a ke n? Lutfi, apple. Kena guna a ke n? Amna, good. Afia Nadine, good. Bahaki, good. Akmal, umbrella, a or n? Afia Nadine, good. Ania, good. Bahaki, good. Good, Afia. Akmar, good. Nur Ania, check your number 3, yeah. Use the word is or isn't. Safia, okay. Muhammad Imran, very good. Zara Alisha, okay, good. Khalisa, okay, good. Baihaki, door. Door bermula dengan D. Kena guna E ke N? Tengok balik nota tu. Samara, umbrella. U. Bermula dengan U. Kena guna E ke N? Yang lain tak hantar jawapan ke? Amar Mirza, Adib, Riyad, Akmar, Nurul Huda, Anik Danial. I can't see your names in the chat box. Yes?
Teacher, saya punya nombor.
Saya tengah tulis tadi, lepas tu tiba terkeluar dari chat.
Okay, but still I got Arich Kela, I got your answer. Okay, so how do you write? Lutfi, yes, good, Lutfi. Okay, so for the word stove, what should I write for the word stove?
There isn't.
There isn't
Ke N?
Stove.
Stove. There isn't
It
a
there
stove. Okay,
isn't.
how about apple? There is an.
There is an apple.
Okay, good. How about oven? There is.
There is an oven.
Okay, an oven. Not oven, oven. Umbrella?
There isn't an umbrella.
There isn't an
An
umbrella.
umbrella.
Okay, good. Door?
There is a door.
There
is a door.
Okay, very good. So please remember where to use the word and N. Okay? And to A, E, I, O, U. Nampak A, E, I, O, U, kena guna N. If not, it's the word I'll make sure it's one. All right? Now let's take a quick break and we will move on to the next part later. Okay, so we're gonna play. I will call out the names. Okay, and now you have to circle only one by one. Kalau teacher kata seashell, please look for seashell only. Kalau teacher kata teacup, please look for the teacup only. Alright, do you understand? Jangan conteng-conteng, jangan saja-saja pilih. Please don't do that. Okay, alright. Now, first we are going to look for the seashell. If you found the seashell, you can circle it for me. Okay, good. All right, very good. You got the seashell. Good job. Okay, good. What is the, oh, we're done. Let me Share again. Okay, we're done with one. How about the next one? Needle. Wow, where to find needle? Can you find needle? Oh, good. Very good. Correct answer. Good job. How about ice cream bar? Ice cream bar. This one? Wow, very good. Good, good. How about pear? Jangan contek, please. Don't contek ya. Once done, dah siap dah, move on. Pear. Okay, very good, very good. Comb. Very good. Arrow. Arrow. Very well done. Teacup. Teacup. Good. Bowl. Bowl. Wow, very good. Next one, I want ice cream cone. Ice cream cone. This one. Ice cream cone. Teacher asked for ice cream cone, yeah? This one? Wow, very good, very good. Next one, I want button. Button, okay, button was easy, right? Heart. 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 Good, very good, very good. Flag. Flag. That's not flag. Again, flag. We are looking for flag. Where? Again, sorry. Here. Oh, wow, very good. Flag, got it. Next one, nail. Nail. Okay, good. Nail. Next one is spool of thread. Apa ni? Ayo. Spool of thread. Okay, good. Last one is the book. All right, very well done. Okay, that was just a quick break for us to look for the missing items. Good job, everyone. Now, we are going to move to the next part, another two words. Okay, tadi kita belajar a and the word and. Now we're going to learn two more words. Okay, we're going to learn the word some and the word any. Okay, you got to focus here. This is very, very important. You got to focus. Now, for the word some, we use it for plural. Apa maksud plural? More than one. Very
More
good.
than one.
How about countable?
Dia tak boleh kira.
Boleh kira. Uncountable?
Tak boleh kira.
Tak boleh kira.
Boleh kira.
Okay, very good. So if you have more than one, benda yang boleh kira atau tidak boleh kira, both also you can use some. But remember, perkataan some ni kebanyakannya kita guna untuk affirmatives. Maksudnya ayat yang positif. Ayat yang positif.
Positif.
Kalau dia negatif, maksudnya tak ada perkataan don't, isn't. Kalau ada negatif atau kalau ada soalan, tak boleh guna some. Alright? Ayat positive only. Only for positive sentences. Now look at the word some tomatoes. I buy some tomatoes from the market. How many tomatoes can you see here?
3.
3. It is more than one. Kalau lebih dari satu. And look at the sentence. I buy some tomatoes from the market. Is the sentence positive or negative?
Positif.
Positive. Kalau positive, you must use the word some. Janganlah kata I buy any tomatoes. Salah. Alright. Some books. There are some books on the table. Can you count books? Yes, you can count. Books banyak ke tak?
Banyak.
Banyak, lebih dari satu. Okay. Is it positive or negative?
Positif.
Ayat positive. So you must use there are some books on the table. Alright. Same thing goes for cookies. Can count. And there are more than one. So you can use some cookies. Kadang-kala tak boleh kira. It's uncountable nouns. So tak tahulah satu ke atau banyak ke. You don't know. So how do you know that? You have to use some milk. Kalau ayat tu positif, ada, you say there is some milk in the refrigerator. Okay? Or you can also say there is some money in my wallet. These are uncountable nouns. Benda yang tidak boleh dikira. But all you have to know today is perkataan some, we use it for positive sentences. Do you understand?
Yes.
Kalau ada, kalau untuk uncountable nouns, benda yang tidak boleh dikira, we use there is some uncountable nouns. Kalau benda yang boleh dikira, ada lebih dari satu. So you got to say, there are some. Can you copy that?
Yes.
All you have to remember is, some, you must only use it for positive sentences.
Done.
Dah teacher. 20.
All of you done? Now, what must you remember? Some you use for positive
Positive.
sentence. Now, if your sentence is negative, if it's a question, you must use the word any. What must you use? Any. Okay? Now, it is also used for plural, maksudnya banyak. Countable boleh dikira and uncountable nouns, benda yang tidak boleh dikira. Sama je dengan tomatoes tadi, books tadi, cookies tadi, sama je. But, tadi ayat positif. Now, your sentence is negative. I didn't buy tomatoes from the market. Boleh tak teacher guna some? No.
Oh.
Kenapa? Why? Because ayat negative. That's all. Simple je. Tadi ayat positif, guna some. Kalau ayat negatif, guna any. There aren't any books on the table. Kenapa guna any? Why?
Because it's negative.
It is negative. Perkataan apa yang tunjuk negatif?
Orange.
Aren't. Very good. There aren't any cookies in the jar. Kenapa teacher guna any? Because it is
Negative.
negative. Ayat negative. There isn't any milk in the refrigerator. Why do I use any? Because
Uncountable.
it is uncountable, yes, but it's a negative sentence. Isn't any milk. Okay? Perbezaan dengan aren't dengan any dengan isn't, it's because aren't you can count. Kalau tak boleh count, maksudnya satu, one. For one you must use isn't. Okay? Alright. If it's a question, you must also use any. Alright? Now, can you also copy this? Remember to copy the word negative or question. Perkataan any ni, you must only use for negative or question.
Done.
Okay, done? All right. So let's try to answer some questions. Now, where do you use the word a? Mana nak guna perkataan a? If it is one,
Only one.
then consonant or vowel?
Consonant.
Consonant. Where do I use an?
Vowel. Vowel.
One
Vowel.
and
Vowel.
what is vowel? Apa maksud vowel?
A, E, I, O, U.
I-O-U.
A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Some must use for
Positive.
positive.
Use for
Positive. How about any?
Negative.
Negative or? Negative atau?
Question.
Atau question. Alright. Are you all very clear?
Yeah.
Yes. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you very sure? Cikgu nak spot check ni.
Very sure.
Siapa tak mau buka kamera lah, cikgu pergi attack.
Yes.
Okay, you sure? Alright. Teacher want to check. How to check? Let's answer questions. Number 1. Lutfi. Number 1.
There isn't any water in the kettles.
Tea kettle.
Tea kettle.
Very good. Good job, Lutfi. Correct answer is any because it's negative. Akmal, number 2.
Mr. Cook is having a bread.
A bread. Are you sure?
Yes.
Bread tu boleh kira ke tak?
Tak. Some.
Good. Bread tu tak boleh kira ya. Kalau satu, we say a slice of bread. Sekeping. Kalau satu buku roti, we say a loaf of bread. So, is having some bread. Good job, Akmal. Okay, how about next one? I want Amna. Amna, number 3.
There aren't apartments to rent.
Is the sentence positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Bagaimana kamu tahu negatif?
Because it's a.
Because it's a. Okay, read the sentence. There aren't apartments to rent. How do you know this sentence is negative? Amna? Okay, you know it's negative because of the word aren't. If your sentence is negative, what should you use?
There are apartments to rent.
Kalau ada, you can say there are apartments. Somewhere it's apartments. Banyak. Can use a. Amna.
They are.
There?
They are apartments.
Apartments. There aren't apartments to rent. So what's your answer? Some, a, an or any. 4 je jawapan ni. So which one is the answer? Kalau a satu saja. Mana ada satu? Apartments ada banyak. Ada S. So tak boleh guna a.
Some.
Okay, which means you didn't focus earlier, Amna. Kalau ayat negatif, you must use, what must you use, everyone? Any. Kalau ayat negatif, must use any. Kalau ayat positif, baru guna some.
Some.
You understand? Okay. If it is one, kalau ada singular, kalau plural, barulah boleh guna some. Kalau ada satu sahaja, baru pilih a atau n. Bagaimana nak pilih a atau n? Tengok yang mana ada vowel. Kalau ada satu sahaja, guna a atau n. Kalau ada lebih dari satu, kena guna some atau any. Bagaimana nak tahu some atau any? Any untuk negatif. Some untuk positive. Alright? Okay, jom kita pergi cari. Siapa lagi tak dengar? Number 4. Nur Ania, number 4.
We don't have any cinemas here.
Very good, Ania. We don't have any cinemas here because don't adalah negative. Next one, Altia Arisa, number 5.
This is any interesting newspaper.
This is any interesting newspaper. Are you sure?
Some.
Some. This is some interesting newspaper. Are you sure? Some tu kita guna untuk satu ke banyak? Satu. Satu, betul. Some tu kita guna untuk banyak. Some tu kita guna untuk banyak. So, interesting newspaper. Newspaper ni banyak ke satu? Satu. So, jawapan some tak boleh guna lah. So, what do you answer? This is? Pilihan B dengan C je. A atau N. Bagaimana nak pilih sekarang? A, Altia. Dia mula dengan okay. Correct answer supposed to be N. Kenapa N? This is an interesting newspaper. Kenapa? Dia mula dengan I. Ada satu sahaja. Do you all understand or not?
Yes.
Ada? Sure or not?
Understood.
Yes.
Tapi jawapan tak betul also. Teacher pun tak puas. Okay. Kalau ada satu, guna apa? Atau?
Some.
Atau?
And.
Bagaimana nak tahu yang mana nak guna yang mana nak guna N?
Untuk consonant. Untuk vowel.
Okay, untuk consonant. N tu untuk vowel. Apa benda vowel tu?
Question.
A-E-I-O-U.
A-E-I-O-U. Kalau satu, only one. Kalau ada banyak, what do we use?
Some and
Some.
Some or
any.
any. Okay, so some bagaimana nak tahu yang mana kena guna some, yang mana kena guna any?
Some positive, any negative.
Very good. Some tu kita guna untuk ayat positif. Any tu kita guna negative or question. Faham ke?
Faham.
Tolong salin yang ni. Lagi simplified. I give you very simplified. Lagi simple yang ni. Altia, salin Baik Haki, salin ya, naskah kopi ya. Yang lain, I don't know why your camera is off. Are you done?
Done.
Yes.
Yes, I'm done.
This one you have to memorize. Kena hafal ya benda ni. Satu means guna or N. Kalau adalah untuk konsonan. N tu guna untuk perkataan yang ada vowel. Mula dengan A, E, I, O, U. Kalau ada banyak, you use some or any. Some adalah untuk ayat positif. Any adalah untuk negative or question. Alright? Now let's try one more and then I'm going to give you your quizzes. Okay? Okay. Is there any sugar in the kitchen? Yes, there is. What's the answer? I want all of you to turn on your mics, please.
Some.
Some, are you sure? Okay, very good. Correct answer is some. Good.
Some.
The Sharmas don't have children.
Any.
Any.
Sharmas
Any.
Any. Okay. Next one. Number 8. I don't have.
I don't have a book.
Kenapa tak guna some?
Some untuk positif.
Okay, very good.
Negative.
Kenapa tak guna
Sebab lebih daripada satu.
Only one.
Banyak-banyak.
More than one.
Sebab more than one. Books. Lebih banyak. Okay, banyak. Lebih dari satu. Good, very good. Do you chair for me?
Do you
Do you
have
have?
Chair.
You can use, do you have any chair for me? There are
There are
They
there are some.
some boy.
ada yang kata any.
Ini
Ha.
Eddie.
mana ada negative word?
Good. No negative word. So what must you use? There are.
Some.
Kenapa pula tak guna
Cuma ada satu je.
One. Banyak.
Sebab
More than
satu
one.
je.
more than one.
One.
Because why?
Very good. Very good. I think you are ready. Do you understand what we have learned for today?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Now let's see if you are able to answer your quiz. Okay. You can click on the link in the chat box. Now, we have total 25 questions. What is your goal for today? What is your goal for today?
Everything correct.
Cannot like everything correct, cannot. What's your goal? Minimum. Can we set our goal to 22 over 25? Can or not? Goal hari ni adalah 22. Kalau dapat 22, you pass. Kalau dapat less than 22, fail. 22 boleh? 22 over 25.
Maybe.
Or you want 21 over 25? 21 or 22, everyone?
20.
21.
21.
21? Okay?
Over 25.
Over 25. All right. If you get 21 over 25, you pass. If you get lesser than 21, you fail. All right? Let's start.
Ni chat lah, sabar.
Check your answer. Some is for positive, any for negative.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay.
Only one incorrect.
Oh,
I was just
fantastic.
too fast. Teacher, I'm done. I got 2 more.
2 wrong answers.
I got all correct.
Oh, correct. Very good.
I got 1 incorrect because I was too fast.
Too fast. Okay. So we are waiting for your friends to complete. Let's wait and see.
Teacher, I got all correct.
Wow, good. It was easy, right? As long as you remember, if your sentence is positive, you use the word some. If your sentence is negative or a question, you use any. We're waiting for the rest to complete it as well.
Cikgu salah 2 je.
Oh, very good. All right, so let's check your score. What was your target? What was your goal for today? 20?
25.
but I got
25 for 25.
Okay, I gave you 21 out of 25, right? So let's see. Most of you got excellent score. 25 and 24, very good. 23, 22, 21, still pass. Kalau dapat 20, alamak, fail sikit lah. Alright? You can try to do better next time. Okay, all you have to do, try not to be too speed lah. All right, all you have to work is just remember, if it is positive sentence, you use the word some. If it is negative or question, you use the word or any. And if you have only one, you use the word or any. You must also remember where to use where to use n. You must also remember use for a, e, I, o, u. All right. So thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for focusing in class today. All of you did very, very well. Good job. So I'll see you all next week. Have a good weekend. Have a good
Thank you, teacher.
Bye.
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 Goodbye. Goodbye.
Good night.
Good night. Good night. Goodbye.
Okay. Bye.
Goodbye.